In this video, we're going to talk about 12.1 Objective 5, where we solve equations involving complex numbers. So let's go ahead and get started here, where we have 4x minus 7yj is equal to 16 plus 21j. So what I need to do is I need to set the real parts that don't have j's equal to each other. So 4x is equal to 16. Divide both sides by 4. And that means that x is equal to 4. And I have to set the imaginary parts together that have j's. Then I'm just going to write them without the j's. So negative 7y is equal to 21. Just drop the j's off. And divide both sides by negative 7. Y is going to be negative 3. Now let's find the values here that satisfy this equation. 3 minus x is my real part, and that needs to be equal to negative 8. And negative y is my imaginary part that needs to be equal to 2. So negative x needs to be equal to negative 11, and x needs to be positive 11, and y needs to be a negative 2. Now, in this one, we have x is the real part on the left-hand side, and there is no real part on the right-hand side. So x has to be equal to 0. So that simplifies my equation down now to negative 5. Oh, nope, that's not true. Hang on. Let's simplify left-hand side and right-hand side first. So x minus 5j squared is 5 times negative 1 plus 5j is equal to yj plus 3x times, and then that's a negative j. So this is x plus 5 plus 5j is equal to, and then this is going to be a negative 3x plus yj on this side. And then I'm going to have x plus 5 for my real part on the left-hand side is equal to 0 as my real part on the right-hand side. And 5 on my left-hand side is a negative 3x plus y. On my right-hand side, let's solve for x first. X is a negative 5. Not a 0. X is negative 5. So negative 3 times negative 5 plus y equals 5. 15 plus y is 5. So y is going to be a negative 10. Let's look at number 4. We solve this equation here. X squared is going to be negative 112. And 112 is not a perfect square. It's somewhere between 100, which is 10 squared, and 121, which is 11 squared. So I'm going to use a factor tree here. And I'm going to say that this is 2 times 56, which is 2 times 28, which is 2 times 14, which is 2 times 7. And I see 2 2's, which is 4. So x is going to be equal to plus or minus j times the square root of, and then this is going to be 16 times 7. So x is equal to plus or minus 4j root 7. And they don't want us to write plus or minus, so they want negative 4j root 7, comma positive 4j root 7. Are 7j and negative 7j the solutions to this equation? Yes, they are. X squared equals negative 49. X equals plus or minus j root 49. X equals plus or minus 7j. So yes, they absolutely are the correct solutions to that equation. And I believe that's everything. We'll come back next time and talk about 12.2 Objective 1. We'll see you for the next video.